What up, YouTube? Back again with another video. And this video I'll be showing you guys the two tools that have made me about $10,000 this past month of April. Let's get into it. So the first tool we've been building in the background is the OD Key Levels Pro indicator. And this indicator has been really beneficial because I've been using TrendSpire the last 4 or 5 years now. But lots of people inside of Discord use TradingView, so I decided to build an indicator that all the key levels implemented inside of it and has all the key levels, break and retest alerts, swing high and low detectors, prior day low and high, a bunch of really beneficial tools that we use in our trading. It can help you see everything play out in front of you. So in this first example, we'll be looking at NVIDIA here on the, let's go down to the 15-minute time frame. So as you guys can see right here on NVIDIA, we had the key level. Let me make this stuff a bit bigger so you guys can see everything. As you guys can see, it's really customizable. You guys can get all the stuff you want on your screen. Let's make it normal size for the info box in the top right hand corner. So in this first example here on NVIDIA, April 27th, if you guys read the newsletter and everything as well, all the key levels are provided in the newsletter. But in this first example, NVIDIA came up to this key level up here at 212.19, which all-time highs here on NVIDIA from October 29th. So obviously having this level here marked on NVIDIA was pretty beneficial for us because we knew that was all-time high breakout. And once you broke above, it was gonna be a really big level to break above and get some follow through. So off the open here, if you guys went long to the key level, it would have been red at the moment. So it's already a red flag to not be going long into that level here on NVIDIA at 212.19. As you guys can see down here, you guys came into support around 207.09, bounced off this level. You could have bought this wick back to the upside on the 50-minute time frame, and then traded back to the upside for all-time high break into 213.63 for the time being. But if you guys are inside of Discord, the key trade I posted was this prior day high breakout right here at 212 or 210.94. So prior day high, prior day lows are pretty big levels for us inside of Discord. Once you get the breaks with these levels with some volume, you typically see some pretty good movement in the upside. And also implementing them into the OD Key Levels Pro indicator, because you guys can have them all marked in your charts. It makes it very clear, very readable, and you guys can have all that at the tip of your fingers. So inside of Discord, you guys are in here April 27th on Monday. I said I'm watching NVIDIA for the break above the prior day high at 210.94. And once you broke above this level here, you went straight up about $4 in a straight line to 213.63 on NVIDIA. But on top of just this breakout right here on NVIDIA 210.94, we had the support level marked out here at 207.09. You guys could have taken this long down here for even a better trade at about $5 to the upside and trade that directly to the upside and got an even better move on your contracts. So that's just one use case with OD Key Levels Pro that's also been helping me a lot. Also, I really like how the key levels change based on where you're moving. So we can look at a name like Tesla right now. So Tesla's also at an interesting level. So you came down to this key level here at 363.74, bounced off it to the upside, 372, back into 372.45. But as you guys can see right here on a name like Tesla, as you're below resistance levels, they turn red, and as you break above them, they dynamically turn green based on where you're moving on the chart. So in this use case, you can see there's a clearly red line here on Tesla, so at 373.42. So in that level, I'd probably be pretty careful, not trying to go long at this level. As you can see at the close on Friday here on April 24th, I believe, you came into 377.42 multiple times. You can see right here, 1 rejection, 2 rejections, 3, 4 rejections. That ultimately ended up gapping down on Monday, April 27th here to the downside. So just having this red line marker chart, it can make you also not second guess things, just keep the lows where they are and really predictable things in your chart. And one more thing here, we're looking at Microsoft. One thing we added here on Microsoft is range detector. As you guys can see here on Microsoft, it's been stuck in a box between 425 and 414 the last 3 sessions now. So having this range detector can also help you make not bad decisions, because you know a name like Microsoft stuck in a box. But once you start breaking above prior day high here at 424.95, you have clear targets up here towards 427, 100-day moving average, and 430 here on Microsoft. So this is the tool that's really been beneficial for me, because yes, TrendSpire is really useful. I still use it a lot for my multi-grid because TradingView is relatively expensive for all the features you get in it. But just having all my levels marked in my chart, they're automatically built in. I don't have to like worry about, changing them, flipping things on and off, hiding levels. There's always on my screen every second of the day. It makes my trading really easy because I don't have to like second guess myself. I know where the levels are. I know what to expect like as you come into the key level, and everything's just built right in front of me. And it's all the things I look for in trading: the break and retest, swing highs and lows, liquidity sweeps, etc. All those things is built in one indicator. It's been really beneficial in my trading and really helped me a lot this past month of April as we built this indicator out and getting rolled out inside of Discord. Now everybody else is using it, and also find some real value from it. And the second tool we've been using inside of Discord and we built out the last month and a half, 2 months, is TradeDeck. Now this is a really impressive tool that I'm really happy with. I've been using other platforms in years past, but didn't really have all the things I was looking for, especially for prop firms. So for some platforms, you have to export a CSV file, and you can't really do, obviously if you're using a prop firm, it's not live capital, it's just, you know, paper money. So having to export CSV every single trade, if you guys are like, you know, taking 1 or 2 trades, it's gonna be really annoying after a while. So one of the big features we built in the trade deck is Snaptrade. So I guess I'd use just come over here, upload a screenshot, and I'll automatically parse all the information out from your trade and upload in the trade deck. So I have a bunch of trades here you guys can see from Tesla, NQ, Nvidia, etc. So this month alone I made about $12,000. It's been pretty patient trading. I've been seeing my leaps on Nvidia play out. Microsoft trying to bounce back in the green, but haven't been scalping too aggressively. Just, you know, taking a couple trades here and there, and just letting, you know, all the long-term trades play out. In the last 40 days alone here on my long-term portfolio, up about $70,000. So I'm not too pressed to be, you know, hyper trading, you know, hyper scalping, all those kind of things, but with the addition of Trade Deck, it's been really beneficial. I can upload my trades really quickly and track my P&L curve, just like I would on other platforms, but really more efficiently and built to like how we want to trade inside of option drops. So I haven't uploaded all my trades yet because I've just been, you know, because building the platform to delete a bunch of stuff, testing, you know, test the whole upload flow. But so far from the trades I've uploaded, I'm about $20,000 in the year, 17,000 take home with prop firms included. So really good start to the year so far. I'm pretty much on pace to where I was last year at this time. My really big months were in July, August, and November, where I made a bulk of my money. So like I said, just playing it slow, taking my time, and also not getting too aggressive. I've also been building lots of things on the back end here, like Trade Deck, the OD Kilos Pro Indicator, and all that stuff is directly built in Discord and Premier Access. So you guys can see in the Trades tab, you can import all your trades here, the table, see it in a more condensed view, the notebook. You guys can come over here, add your rules, all that stuff, analytics. So you guys want like deeper analytics, we have a bunch of cool features here, like the whole calendar. You guys can also see like what your trading is looking like by session. So if you guys are trading futures, obviously there's different sessions: Asia, London, New York, AM, PM. So you guys can see when your best sessions are. So some of mine are during 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. Eastern, and also along with the New York session at 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. right around power hour. You can also see the P&L sizing by position size. So you guys can see like how much money you're making per contract. So obviously my best trades were 45 contracts on NASDAQ or options. And one contract, you can see the average 1%, you know, max drawing, etc. So you have a bunch of deep analytics you guys can look at and TradeDeck.io. Again, free to sign up. Obviously, like we have all the market calendar. You guys can come over here, check the market calendar. You can sort by FOMC, high impact news like, you know, earnings, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, we're all reporting this week, mega cap, economic data. You guys will come over here and sort by FOMC. It will pop up for you. You know, PCs this week, it will show up for you. So all this stuff is built inside of TradeDeck for you. Really easy to sort through, really easy to navigate, and just again 100% free to get started. No credit card required. So we have a bunch of other tools here built in the Trade as well. So example like ticker lookup. You guys can come over here, like type in the name like Nvidia. You guys can see on Nvidia. You can see all the pivot points here. You can see where you're breaking out, where the next resistance levels could be at 212, 217 here on Nvidia, just based on pivot points and how everything's aligning. You can come over here, compare your trades, pre-trade planner, accounts, all that good stuff. And one of the big features we tried to implement here is the prop firm ROI. Again, I've implemented all my expenses here for Trade Deck because we just got this feature built out the last week. But on prop firm ROI, you can come over here and import all of your expenses for prop firms. So as you can see, on April 25th, I started an activation and eval on TopStep, and all this together costs about $200. And then once I get my payout here on TopStep, I'll have the payout. And for example, you guys can see right here, let's just say I made $2,500 on TopStep, firm TopStep, and then I'll automatically calculate everything out for you. So you can see my net ROI, my take-home pay on TopStep would have been about $2,000 or about 1,000% ROI based on my initial investment of $200. So a really cool feature here on Trade Deck with the prop firm ROI. So we're always adding a bunch of cool features here on Trade Deck, listening to the community what they want from a platform, and we're really building it out from the ground up. Everything's there for you guys. Again, 100% free to get started. If you guys want to try in Premier Access and get, OD Kilos Pro and Trade Deck all built into your access. Again, go to optiondrops.com/price and get started. But those are the two things that really helped me the past month. Really see my analytics, really gets everything honed in on my trading. Because yeah, TrendSpire worked out really good, but the OD Kilos Pro Indicator just kind of, like I said, laid everything out in front of me, off the tip of my fingers. Being able to easily import my trades through Trade with the Snaptrade feature, or just manually importing my trades has been really beneficial. And all of the stuff going on the back end with AI technology has been really beneficial, giving me a deeper insight into my trading. So this was very beneficial for you guys. You can see all the tools I'm using as of the last 2 months as we've been building them out. And if you guys want to get started, again, the link in the description. And again, follow for more. I'll be posting way more content here on YouTube and TikTok, etc. But be sure to follow for more trading content you guys posted. And be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned in the next video. Peace.